Hey guys, what's up? Let's start off this month on the right note. मैं आप लोगों के साथ एक इतना amazing secret share करने वाली हूँ जो actually मैंने बहुत पहले नहीं डिस्कवर किया, अभी थोड़ा सा पहले डिस्कवर किया एंड आई एम शेयरिंग इट इंस्टेंटली विद यू क्योंकि मुझे लिटरली 1 या 2 यूज़ के अंदर ही उसका रिज़ल्ट मिल गया। और सेकेंडली ये बात है कि मेरा ये जो फ़नी हेयर स्टाइल है उसका रीज़न भी वही है एंड एक और रीज़न उसका ये है कि आई एम गोइंग थ्रू समथिंग सो सिवियर कि मुझे ना बहुत ज़्यादा मैसिव हेयर फॉल हो रहा है, तो आई डू नॉट वांट एनी हीट ऑन माय हेयर। हम क्वारंटीन में एंड आई वाज जस्ट लाइक फीडिंग अप एंड यू नो मेकिंग यमी थिंग्स and then eating those yummy things and you know everything fattening, and then I was like, you know, this is it, you know, I need to draw a line. And then I just started dieting and that it was a fad diet, so I will not tell you कि exactly कौन सी diet थी because I do not recommend it, but वो जो है उसके side effects में मेरे साथ ये हुआ कि naturally मेरी skin is oily and dry, it's like I have a combination skin, but the thing was कि अब मेरी skin इतनी dry हो रही थी कि पैचेस टाइप हो रहे थे एंड यू नो आई वॉज यूजिंग ऑल माई सीरम्स एंड ऑल माई स्किन केयर जो आई स्वेयर बाय इट बट स्टिल इट वॉजंट वर्किंग फॉर मी। तो देन आई आस्क्ड माई फ्रेंड गूगल एंड माई फ्रेंड गूगल टोल्ड मी कि आई शुड ट्राई ऑयल क्लेंजिंग एंड ओ माई गॉड sometimes Google is just like my best friend क्योंकि पता है क्या, I searched for oil cleansers in Pakistan and then I found an oil cleanser जिसके बारे में I'll just tell you, and I used it once and literally पहले यूज़ के बाद ही I was like seriously the next day I woke up with like amazing soft skin and I was like अल्लाह मियाँ आपका बहुत शुक्र है। So what oil cleansing does is कि without all these harsh ingredients and without being so harsh on your skin, वो आपकी स्किन को एक deep thorough cleanse देती है and it's recommended कि आप 2 to 3 times a week यूज़ करें। Like it has like really good benefits and then it gives you soft glowy skin and it also dissolves blackheads, आपके clogged pores, blackheads, whiteheads over time use से, regular use से, it also decreases that, like amazing. So if I have makeup on, so I like to begin by taking a clean cotton pad and taking like a small pump of the oil cleanser and then I just start removing my makeup. But this only works if you have light makeup on. अगर आपके ज़्यादा layers of makeup लगी हुई हैं तो you begin by cleaning those and getting those off. उसके लिए oil cleanser will not work, but you can see how easily I took off my eyeliner. So for the face, what you need to do is you need to take like a really generous amount, like 4-5 pumps. I'm getting it everywhere. After you've gotten your oil cleanser, what you do is that you rub it in on both your hands nicely, and then you go in onto your face. Apply pressure, like slight pressure on your jaw, and like जहाँ भी आपके blackheads इकट्ठे हो जाते हैं उन जगहों पे. It really helps. What you do with your puff is इसको you are going to rinse under hot water. आपके पास cleansing puff exactly same नहीं है, does not matter. Actually better choice is that if you have a washcloth or whatever, but nothing too harsh for your skin please. After it's hot and nice and warm, what you do is कि आपका जो area है जहाँ पे आपको सबसे ज़्यादा feel होता है ना that आपके clogged area है या कुछ भी, वहाँ पे उसको लेके जाओ, वहाँ पे थोड़ा प्रेस करो, have a moment, enjoy. You start going in अपने forehead से in circular motions. Literally my skin feels soft. I don't know if you can see or not, but so soft and I'm absolutely enjoying it. And seriously, if you try this you will thank me because you will wake up the next day with like glowing soft skin and you will love it. And yeah, I completely forgot to mention that after you have wiped off your face with the washcloth, now your skin is ready. You can either go to bed like this, you can either continue with your skincare, apply your serum, yeah, your face mist, whatever you want, eye creams, you know, just do about that. or you can rinse it with water if that's how you're comfortable. I personally don't do that. I just apply a serum or aloe vera or whatever I feel like applying, and some days I don't apply anything. I just sleep like this. जो oil cleanser मैंने use किया है आज वो Earthly Essentials का है, and क्या कहते हैं, it took me just like 5 to 6 uses to start swearing by it. It's so good, and I recommend it to all of you, and it's not even that expensive, so all of you should give it a try. Remember, oil cleansing gives you a thorough cleanse without being harsh on your skin, gives you a gentle exfoliation, helps with reducing blackheads and whiteheads and all of that, gives you soft, supple, glowy skin. Who doesn't want that? So yeah, that's about it. That's all for today, and I just wanted to like give out good energy and good vibes, and that's why I just gave you something that I discovered and I thought it's so good. आज हमने एक और चीज़ सीखी है, fat diets नहीं करनी, because fat diets have ruined my hair. I'm so sad, and my skin also. Give oil cleansing a try मेरे कहने पे, and if you guys enjoy it, do let me know. Bye, love you.